My name is Keith, and this is my 1977 Toyota Celica. It was pretty stock USDM. It was not in nice shape. It was in a garage for garage slash barn for like the last 15 years or 25 years. 25 years. Yeah, something like that. And it had been sitting, just hadn't moved. The wheels are the stock Steelies for it, and they've been widened by greens. Suspension-wise, it has T3 coilovers in the front, and then just Eibach springs in the back, and Eibach shocks all around.
So this is one of the only carbureted cars I've driven as well. Everything's very different. It's got fender-mounted side view mirrors, which is the weirdest thing ever because I keep looking to the left of the A-pillar here to find a mirror and nothing's there. And there have definitely been known to copy design cues from the Americans and the Europeans and just kind of, I mean, some would say make them better, I guess, or make them stand out, make them their own, essentially. Hate it or love it, whatever. I have a feeling it's gonna be like the S2000 video we shot recently where half the comments are like, wow, I really love that wing. That's a perfect looking S2000.
I designed them for myself. I didn't do the welding. A friend of mine did the welding, and he's a great welder. Thank you, Ryan. I've just always wanted like tall tachiary pipes on a car. Like it's just, the whole Japanese image is really sweet to me. So yeah, I want to go to Japan. Fuck yeah. I mean, no, I've never been, but I do want to go there very badly. And checking out all the Bosozoku stuff and all the Decotor trucks and all that stuff.
This engine is putting out a very staggering, and not the quickest car, but this is the thing here. Horsepower does not make a fun car. Horsepower can make a very exciting car, and a car, so to speak. All right, so as you can see, I mean, Keith has some cool stuff in the interior. He's done this headliner himself. The wheel fits the car perfectly. It's a great size. A lot of aftermarket wheels just look, I mean, they look like they belong on a 90s Japanese car. This wheel, aftermarket, but and as well, the best part of the interior, in my opinion, is this little toggle here. So if you hit this, so if you guys can hear that, that is like the anthem to the car, I guess. So the car is not fast. But I already said.
I have an 18RG motor, which is like Japanese twin cam. It's in pieces. I want to build it up. I want to put dual 45 Webers on it, and I have some mild cams for it. And like I want that. It's like not a fast motor, but it's what should have been in this car at the time. Like in Japan, you would have been able to get it in there, and it just like in my mind, it'll be like 1980s quick. And that's all it really needs to be. I don't really know what drew me to these cars exactly. I guess, like I was really into muscle cars before, so maybe there's something there because it's got a very muscle car look to it. Like I was strictly American cars before, and then my buddy, Justin, he bought this 83 Corolla wagon with a 4AGE in it, and I drove that a couple times and I was just like, wow, this is a lot of fun. I'll get something slower.
The louver is actually really solid, feels very solid. Steering gets nice and heavy as you load it up. This isn't necessarily very glad I got a chance to drive something like this. So thank you, Keith, for letting me drive it. We have new videos every single Tuesday and Thursday, a podcast on Wednesday that goes up on iTunes. Head on over to roadsandtravel.net where you can find photos, videos, bonus. Look forward to seeing you guys next time.